Welcome! My name is Cassandra Campbell, and I'm excited to teach you the fundamentals of SEO in this course. The goal is to help you understand SEO so you can make more sales and grow your business for the long term. Whether you're a complete beginner and barely know what SEO stands for, or you have a small business that's generating consistent income, you're in the right place to learn. Or if you're currently paying someone to do your SEO, or you're thinking of hiring someone, this course will also be helpful so you can understand what you're paying for. By the end of this course, you'll have a thorough understanding of SEO concepts. You'll also have a 3-step repeatable framework you can use to grow your business with SEO. In this course, I'm going to be optimizing a Shopify store. So after I teach you a concept, I'll show you exactly how to use the information in practice. I've taught SEO fundamentals to thousands of entrepreneurs in one-on-one consultations, to small groups in classrooms, and in front of small business owners at conferences around North America. I've worked in online marketing for almost 10 years, and SEO continues to be my favorite marketing method to grow traffic and sales. I currently work at Shopify full-time, though I've always worked on a side hustle and recently sold my first business. So not only do I understand SEO best practices, I also understand how to best implement SEO on Shopify. I've seen firsthand how implementing the SEO techniques you'll learn in this course can help you grow your business for the long term. Thank you for taking the time to learn from me in this course. I'm really excited you're here. So let's get right into it. Head to the next lesson to learn what is SEO.